And when I do this, I do give a warning. It can be a little graphic if you don't like looking at, you know, drains and inside people's ears, wax and all that stuff. So it can get a little graphic. So if you don't want to see that part, I advise you to click off now, because I am going to put that part on while I do the demonstration. Now I'm going to use this one, is have a little scoop in it. And we put it on the lens. My nephew's looking at me right now while I'm doing my video. All right, so let me go down my ear. Oh, okay, so the camera is actually clearer when going down your ear. And wow, that's a lot of wax. Okay, so that's me cleaning the wax out my ear. Sorry, you guys. I know that's a little nasty. Go to the bathroom and get me a toilet paper, piece of toilet paper. Okay, you guys, going back down, and wow. Okay. Now this is pretty cool. Like I said, if you're a doctor or anything in the medical field, this is pretty cool. Once again, like I said, you want to clean this. They said you can use alcohol on it. I'll take a photo and I will post a shot right here of everything. Also, I will post all the warnings before I do this. I should have did that before, but I'm going to post the warnings. All right. And one of the warnings says, be careful when cleaning the earwax. Do not penetrate too deep into the ear canal. All right. You do not want to destroy your ears. And what else? It says this product is not suitable for diagnosis or treatment by a doctor or medical facility. All right. I'm just telling you the most important parts right now. Keep out of reach of children. Children are not allowed to operate. All right, that's another important one, and it is not suitable for people with limited physical, sensory, or mental capabilities. This attachment is the ones that you usually go to when you go to the doctor and they look inside your ear. So we put that on there, and I'm going to put it to my ear and just have a look inside. And right there, you can see my veins and vessels and whatever else that only doctors know about in there. All right, so if y'all want to know, this device can work while it's charging. So here is your charger port, your SD slot right here. All right, so this have different levels of light. If you don't want light, just hit the power button. The light is on the power button. You hit once, twice, 3 times, that's the brightest. Here, it looked like lights, but I haven't figured that part out. Let me see. Yep. So right there, you actually have a little flashlight for your device. This is pretty cool. I think it's worth it, especially if you want to clean your ears. You want to see what your ears look like on the inside. You want to look down your throat. Well, not all the way down your throat, but look inside your mouth. Your pets, you got dogs, you can look at inside their mouth, or you can clean their ears with this. The same thing. Veterinarians can use it, doctors can use it, nurses can use it, and you at home can use this. Other than that, if there's any other questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I will try to reply back as soon as possible. And other than that, hit the notification bell if you like my reviews, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.